Hi everybody, this is Randy Valicki from HairMax, and today I'm here to talk to you about how easy it is to use our new LaserBand 41 Comfort Flex. When you first get the device, take it out of the box, but you need to charge it. There's two ways to charge your device. You can charge it directly by the charging connector on the device, or you can charge it through the cradle by plugging in your charging cord into the cradle. When you plug into the cradle, this little green light next to the cradle will let you know that your device is getting electricity. Now, as it's charging, this white light here is going to flash. Once it stops flashing, about 4 to 6 hours, that means your device is completely charged and ready to go. After your HairMax LaserBand Comfort Flex is completely charged, it's very easy to turn on. This button right here will turn the device on. Simply press it once and the little white light will come on, letting you know that the device is on. But if you notice, the lasers don't come on because we've installed a proximity sensor. They won't turn on until it's on your head or you put something very close to the center of the device. We designed the LaserBand 41 Comfort Flex to be very, very comfortable. It flexes to fit from small heads to very, very large heads. We also included soft silicone teeth to make it as comfortable as possible while you're getting your treatment. Using your HairMax is very, very simple. It's a one-button operation. All you need to do is push that button. That little white light there, if it's solid, that means your battery's charged and the device is turned on. Now, if you notice, the lasers don't come on because of that proximity sensor. It's not going to turn on until you get close to it with your hand or hopefully your head here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it up to my forehead and I'm going to rake it back into my hair. The reason we do that is because these patented hair parting teeth, they move the hair aside and they let the laser get an unobstructed path right down to the scalp. The laser getting to your scalp is what stimulates those hair follicles to start growing in. That's very important. This is position 1. You can see it covers from ear to ear. I'm going to leave it here for 30 seconds until it vibrates. It just vibrated. Now I'm not going to lift it. I'm going to glide it back to position 2. We're going to leave it there for 30 seconds. It's going to vibrate again, and then we go to position 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then your treatment is done. Okay, so you repeat this treatment, this 3-minute treatment, 3 times a week. Space it out every other day, like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, Tuesday, Thursday, Saturday, whatever works best for your schedule. You can use it on dry hair, damp hair, wet hair, whatever's most convenient for you. When you're done with your treatment, all you need to do is to hit the little button again once. The white light will go off, letting you know the device is turned off. And then go ahead and put it back in your cradle for storage and charging so it's ready for your next treatment. Remember, the key to success is using the HairMax as directed 3 times per week. The other thing is you need to be patient. You didn't lose your hair overnight. It's not going to grow back overnight. Most people start to see results in about 12 to 16 weeks. The results are going to be, of course, new hair growth, but also more thicker, beautiful hair. It's important to keep your laser band clean. To clean it, make sure your device is turned off. You can see there's no white light there. Make sure it's unplugged, and then take a soft, moist cloth or a soft, damp cloth and simply just wipe the laser window until it's clean. You don't want to use any detergents or harsh chemicals on the laser window, just plain water. To clean it more thoroughly, you can use that same towel, moistened towel, and just clean your teeth like that. Simple. We wish you the greatest success with your HairMax LaserBand 41. We wish you happy, healthy, beautiful hair days ahead.